Yeah, you make pizza.
Hi. Miguel, sit down beside Kuya. What's your name? Miguel. What's your name? Miguel, what's your name? Bilis ako mainit para malayo ka.
Okay.
Dali na, alis na siya.
Si Kuya nandun. Ako, tayo nang lumabas.
Miguel, go to beside Kuya. Kuya ka.
Oh, put it down your hand, ha? Maya, you make pizza,
Miguel,
okay?
alis na yung kuya, alis na siya.
You make pizza, okay?
Go, go, go to Kuya Gab.
Okay.
Wala na, mag-move mo.
Okay, kids, listen, okay. Everyone have their own dough? Meron na lahat? Meron na po tayo lahat na dough?
One more. Miguel, one more. Miguel, wala kang do.
After Dylan, you can wash your hands. One more dough, please. Nagtago yung bagay sa ilalim. Nagtago yung bata sa ilalim ng table.
Maya, camera. Yan.
Okay, we're going to set up para makakain na kayo. Okay. Okay, now. Hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up.
Hands up. Hands up.
Okay. Okay, hands up.
Hands up.
Okay.
Hands up first, wait.
Kids, listen ha. All you have to do is tap the dough by 2 hands. Okay, how old is Julian? How old? Okay, count from 3 to 1. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go! Tap the dough.
Maya, tap.
Okay, stop. Okay, now turn the dough on the other side. Flip the dough, turn it back slowly. Okay, flip the dough slowly. Okay, slowly. Tap only. It's a tap only and don't stretch. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, okay. Stop. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Stop. Okay, now kids, we're going to put the dough inside the pan. Lagay po natin yung dough sa loob ng pan. Hindi yung pan ang lalagay sa dough. Okay, yung dough lalagay sa loob ng pan. Slowly, remove.
Bihis na siya, oh.
Okay. Look at, ayun, ganun po, ganun ha. Ilagay sa pan ang dough. And i-stretch ang dough sa loob ng pan. Yung gilid po, gilid. Press. Press.
Oh, no, stress my pizza.
Okay. Okay. Just press like this. Okay. Walang allergies ha. Walang allergies sa cheese, sa sauce.
Miguel,
Okay.
it's gone.
Okay, we're going to put now sauce. Lalagyan na po natin ng sauce. Lalagyan natin ng sauce. Okay, walang allergies ha. Okay, baby. That was ready. Pupus kirani na yan. Pupus kirani.
Maya, see?
Okay.
See?
Kids, what are we making?
Lusa.
Okay, not pupus kirani ha. Okay, very good.
Maya, give.
Don't put sauce on the side ha. Huwag nalagyan ng sauce sa side, masusunog po yun ha.
Spread it.
Okay.
Spread it. He messed
Oh,
it
don't
up.
touch na, ha?
Now cheese are coming. Okay, spread the cheese on top ha. Spread the cheese.
Pizza.
Start putting your cheese. You put cheese, Maya. No, must be put. It's okay. You will not eat that one.
He's gone.
Si Maya.
That's the one.
Ate. more. Good, good. Oh, enough. Don't touch, ha? Makarwas ka na din.
Next time, I'm gonna cook my own.
Trust me.
I know to cook.
Touch the sauce.
You like all.
Very good, Julian. Okay? Next one. Next. Wait muna ha.